Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine. This is 20th lecture of your Progressive English Unit 4 Natural Disasters. Today our topic is non-fiction, that is on page number 76, and subtopic is the eggs collector surprise. Come on page number 76. Here is non-fiction Unit 4 Natural Disasters, Non-Fiction, The Eggs Collector Surprise. उर्दू मीन्स अंडे जमा करने वाला का सरप्राइज. द एग्स कलेक्टर सरप्राइज उर्दू मीन्स अंडे जमा करने वाले का सरप्राइज. द फॉलोइंग टेक्स्ट डिस्क्राइब्स द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ अ मैन हु वॉज hunting for eagles' eggs in the floodplains of the river Danube, a very large river in Europe. That is a very large river in Europe. The river floods the surrounding flat plains in the spring, but the eggs collector was looking for nests in the trees on the islands in the river after the floods had gone. Read about the egg collector's experience. Look this picture carefully. This one is egg collector and this one is nest. Actually this is a skeleton. Now come on page number 77. The egg collector surprise. The egg collector surprise. Two of my companions means member या साथी, made a most unpleasant discovery mean unhappy discovery इजादात whilst eagle nesting on one of these islands. They had climbed many trees without success, but at last they reached the top branches of tree from where they could see what looked like a nest at the top. One of the egg collectors stripped off his coat, यानी अपना कोट जो था उसने उतार दिया. stripped off his coat and climbed further up the tree, यानी और आगे जो है मज़ीद आगे ट्री की टॉप पे चढ़ता गया. while where he reached what he thought was the nest, यानी वहाँ पे तक पहुँच गया, इवन यहाँ तक पहुँच गया जहाँ पे वो उसका ख्याल था कि ये नेस्ट है. he was astonished mean amazed, हैरान होना, to find only a bundle of decaying rags with a shepherd's crook sticking out of them. Holding onto a skewer branch, यानी skewer branch को उसने पकड़ा. he pulled aside the rags and revealed the skeleton of a man. यानी यहाँ तक वो जो है नेक्स्ट तक पहुँच गया और उसने एक जो है रिवील मीन इसको इंकशाफ हुआ कि ये एक इंसान का स्केलेटन ढांचा है. दी बोन्स स्टार्टेड टू फॉल टू द ग्राउंड्स, और बोन्स जो थी नीचे गिरने लग गई ग्राउंड पे. फॉलोड बाय द हॉरिफाइड एग कलेक्टर, फॉलोड बाय द हॉरिफाइड एग कलेक्टर. हॉरिफाइड मीन खौफनाक. ही नेवर stopped running until the river separated him from his ghostly discovery. Here is vocabulary. Students, you have to do this vocabulary. You have to find the meaning of these words. These are nouns like eagles, rags. You have to find out the meaning of these words in English. Urdu means eagle, mean a cow. And adjectives. Adjective is decaying, skewers. Urdu means skewer, महफूज. Decay mean पुराना, बसीदा. Verbs in the past tense. Stripped off, pulled aside mean एक तरफ खींचना. Stripped off mean छीनना. You have to find English meaning from your dictionary. Here are some questions, very easy, not difficult. First question is, did you understand what happened? आप लोगों डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट हैपेंड? राइट डाउन द आंसर्स टू द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई डिड एग कलेक्टर्स क्लेम द ट्री? Answer is to see the nest. Next question is question number 2. What did the egg collector think he saw at the top of the tree? He saw a nest. Third question is what did he find at the top of the tree? He find at the top of the tree a skeleton. Question number 4. What started to fall the ground? Answer is to fall bones. To falls bones on the ground. Question number 5 is what did the egg collector do next? Answer is he did not stop running. And question number 6, how do you think the egg collector felt? आप लोगों के ख्याल में एग कलेक्टर ने क्या फील किया है? यू हैव टू write of this question answer on your own selves. Not easy, very not difficult, very easy. Students, your homework is page number 79. This one, news report. This one is news report. Monsoon floods bring devastation. Devastations means tabahi. Rain decimates since cotton crop. You have to read this page number 79, and learn the meaning of the difficult word. This one is homework. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.